Ash gourd, also known as wintermelon, is made up of 96% water. This high water content not only quenches thirst, but also helps in maintaining the body's water balance, making it an excellent choice for hydration. Consuming ash gourd can soothe the digestive tract. It promotes healthy digestion, combats acidity, and can be a remedy for ulcers due to its cooling properties. Being low in calories and high in fiber, ash gourd can make you feel full, reducing the urge to snack and aiding in weight loss. The juice of ash gourd has been traditionally used for treating skin issues. It can alleviate conditions like eczema, psoriasis, and even reduce acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Unlike sugary foods that cause a sudden energy spike, ash gourd provides a steady release of energy, ensuring you remain active and alert throughout the day. Regular consumption of ash gourd is believed to enhance cognitive functions. It can improve memory, concentration, and overall brain health. Ash gourd helps in regulating blood pressure, reducing cholesterol, and thus can significantly reduce the risk of heart diseases. This vegetable is a natural detoxifier. Consuming ash gourd can help in flushing out toxins, benefiting the kidneys and liver. Applying ash gourd juice to the scalp can promote hair growth, reduce hair fall, and combat dandruff, giving you lustrous locks. Ash gourd possesses natural anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the body, aiding in conditions like arthritis. The seeds of ash gourd have been found to have hypoglycemic properties, which can help in regulating blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for diabetics. Traditional medicine has used ash gourd for treating respiratory issues. It can be beneficial for conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and even common colds, being rich in calcium and other essential minerals. Ash gourd supports strong bones and teeth, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients, ash gourd can fortify the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. Ash gourd contains a good amount of antioxidants. These compounds fight free radicals in the body, preventing cell damage and reducing the risk of many diseases.